And this is a 70mm A510 dash camera. Founded in 2016, 70mm is an industry-leading auto intelligence company specializing in dashcam, spanning beginner-friendly models for basic recording needs to premium 4K cameras with advanced smart features. To date, it has built a global market presence, selling 1.5 million dashcam in a single year to countries spanning Europe, North America, and South Asia. It also achieved the #1 market share in Russia, Malaysia, and Thailand in September 2021 with the vision to deliver a safe, comfortable, and network experience both on and off the road. 70mm is keeping dedicated to leading smart innovation that make every journey easier. 70mm dashcam A510, the next generation of our best-selling dashcam A510S, with annual global sales exceeding 500,000 units, praised for its sleek design and advanced features. The A510S has set the standard, evolving from 70mm's most versatile product. The A510 takes it up a notch with better image quality, supports 4G connectivity, provides enhanced security features, and boasts smarter operation, making it the most versatile product in its market segment. Stunning day and night, front and rear visual clarity. Elevate your driving experience with crystal clear imagery provided by the cutting-edge Sony Starvis 2 sensor. The A510 unlocks superior night vision capability in high dynamic range HDR. The dual channel setup propels the original 1944p image quality to remarkable heights. In addition, 70mm's proprietary image enhancement algorithms featuring performance, placing the A510 at the top tier of imaging excellence. Robust protection and enhanced 4G connectivity. Experience unmatched convenience and versatility with the A510's advanced configuration, from smart ADAS features to built-in GPS 24 parking surveillance. Every aspect of the A510 is meticulously crafted to enhance your driving journey effortless. Additionally, we're introduced time-lapse recording to the rear camera, providing you with a continuous visual coverage from the front to the rear. With added support for the 70mm 4G hardware kit, the A510 breaks distance limit, offering instant app alerts, remote live view, and real-time location updates for seamless 24-hour connectivity. 75 A510 image quality upgrade, sensor enhancement, and algorithm enhancement. Empowered by the advanced Sony Starvis 2 sensor, the A510 unleashes its power of HDR and superior low-light imaging. A510 excel in both license plate capture clarity and color enhancement. With a high frame rate of 60 FPS, it guarantees improved stability and seamless on-road performance, delivering a stunning 5-megapixel 1944p image that excel in every detail. Starvis 2 evolved from Starvis is the latest technology with a wider dynamic range. The high dynamic range has undergone 10% enhancement, while the low light imaging capability has seen a remarkable 90% improvement. The higher 60 FPS enhances the fluidity of motion in videos capture, resulting in more lifelike and dynamic visual experience. Combined with our proprietary 70mm night owl vision algorithm, the high sensitivity and low noise technology enables object shape and color recognition even in a dark condition, and obtains the required information with accuracy. With recording at 60 FPS, enable HDR mode will automatically adjust the resolution to 1080p. Comprehensive upgrade to dual channel recording. The front and rear dual channel setup enhanced by the exclusive mic color vivid solution algorithm, incorporating 3K upgrades. The front and rear dual channel setup now ensures even better comprehensive visibility with enhanced image quality for clear reproduction. HDR in the front view. HDR effectively balances highlights and shadows for a more natural image, ensuring clear capture of details such as license plates and street name. PIP mode. A510 introduced an picture-in-picture mode, allowing you to view the two channels simultaneously on one screen and providing a comprehensive overview during your drive. Time-lapse recording for both front and rear camera. At A510, time-lapse recording extend to the rear camera, ensuring ensuring a comprehensive playback for quick event recognition. Richly integrated 4G connectivity optional. Instant app alert. When your car is parked, it sends instant notification to your phone in the event of a collision or any suspicious incident. App live streaming. Keep an eye on your car surroundings from a distance, whether online or offline. Capture photos or record videos effortless at all your fingertips. Find my car. Easily locate your car in busy areas and track its live route, giving you peace of mind when you're not driving. One tap app connect. When connecting A510 and the 70mi app, the device can be easily located via Bluetooth within the app, allowing for a seamless connection with just one click, making the process quick, effortless. When a collision occurs during driving, the dashcam will initiate a 5-second free-roll recording and continuing recording for 25 seconds. The emergency videos will be saved exclusively in the event folder and will not be overwritten by recordings, providing a complete accident reconstruction. Collision detection in parking mode. The dashcam is activated by the G sensor upon detecting a collision. This triggers the recording of 30 seconds video, providing valuable insight into the accident scene. Time-lapse recording. The dashcam captures continuous footage at 1 FPS during parking mode, saving memory card space by compressing every 30 minutes of video into just 1 minute. Advanced Driver Assistance System or ADAS. ADAS detects your surroundings and warns you of potential safety problems through real-time voice alert, from lane departure alert to forward collision alert and front vehicle start alert. The ADAS function contributes a highlighted level of awareness, ensuring a secure and confident driving experience. Built-in GPS, real-time trip data. With the built-in GPS, the A510 records and present trips details including speed, time, and precise coordinates. In case of an accident, this functionality proves invaluable for accurately pinpointing the location, making it essential for facilitating insurance claims or police report. GPS enable route tracking. The dashcam automatically logs your route for easy review in the 70mi app, providing solid proof of travel and aiding in route optimization. Loop recording. The latest files will replace the alias, automatically ensuring uninterrupted recording loop without storage space concern. Rest assured, buffered emergency recording videos in parking surveillance will be saved separately in event in parking folders and loop independently without being overwritten by regular recordings.